Welcome back, Kuradangerz. Thank you for visiting. So today we got another sexy panty lingerie, and as you can see, it is color blue, very nice, lacy and cottony color blue panty with a bow in front detail. Kuradangerz. Look at that very nice lace material, and it has also a cotton material right here in the front, which is very perfect and very comfortable to our private area. So very sexy color blue panty, Kuradangerz. And yes, this is the back detail. It is also a combination of a lace and a cotton material, which is very nice and very sexy to look at. Very nice, Kuradangerz, and very affordable too. Available in Shopee or in Lazada. Very nice and perfect sexy panty lingerie.